In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make portfolio on Google Slides. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see the Google Apps icon, a grid made up of dots. Click on this icon. This step is crucial as it provides you easy access to all Google services. You will be greeted with a menu showing various Google applications available to you. Once you click this icon, the Google Apps menu will drop down, allowing you to navigate directly to Google Slides. This makes it simple and quick to get started on your portfolio. Next, click on Slides. This option will be visible in the drop-down menu you just accessed. Once you click on it, a new page will load, showing you different templates and presentations you've created in the past. This is where the magic begins. Google Slides is a powerful tool for creating visually appealing and professional presentations. By selecting Slides, you are choosing the right platform to craft your portfolio, ensuring it stands out to potential employers or clients. Now open a blank presentation in Google Slides. Look for the option that says blank or start a new presentation. When you select this, a new window will open, providing you with a clean slate. This is where your creativity begins. A blank presentation means you can design your portfolio exactly how you want it, without any distractions. It's essential to start fresh to showcase your work in the best light possible. After that, click File in the top left menu bar. This is where you'll find various options to modify your presentation. The File menu is crucial for accessing important features such as saving your work and adjusting settings. Once you click on this, a list will appear. You will want to find the Page Setup option next. This will allow you to define the dimensions of your portfolio, ensuring it fits your intended use perfectly. Scroll down and select Page Setup. This option will open a dialog box with different aspect ratios. Here, you can customize your presentation to meet specific needs. Adjusting the page setup is important because the dimensions can significantly impact how your portfolio is perceived. A well-structured portfolio enhances the viewer's experience and keeps your content organized. Next, click the drop-down menu in the dialog box and choose Custom. This allows you to enter specific measurements for your portfolio. Standard dimensions might not suit your needs, so having the option to customize is vital. Once you select Custom, you can specify the exact size you want for your slides. This flexibility ensures that your portfolio stands out and meets the standards of your industry. Enter your desired poster dimensions in inches. You might consider dimensions like 8.5 by 11 for a traditional look or something different depending on your needs. Choosing the right dimensions is essential because it sets the tone for your entire portfolio. Whether you plan to share it digitally or in print, correct sizing helps maintain your design's integrity. Click Apply. This action confirms your changes and sets your custom dimensions into place. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your new slide size is now active. This step is key because it ensures your portfolio's layout is exactly as you want it, preventing any surprises later on. Now add a title slide using the text box. Include your name, professional title, and a brief 3 to 4 sentence bio highlighting your core expertise and unique value. Adding a high-quality headshot or personal logo is also recommended. You can do this by clicking on Insert and then selecting Image. This title slide is the first impression your portfolio will make. It is vital to convey your identity and professional branding clearly. Section headers are next. Use distinct headers sized between 36 and 48 points to split up your text sections. This organization helps guide the viewer through your portfolio. Clear headers make it easy for your audience to follow along and understand the flow of information. This small detail can significantly enhance the readability of your portfolio. The core of your portfolio is now essential. Dedicate 1 to 2 slides per project using a fixed template. Include sections for project goal, your role, the visuals, and results. This structure allows employers to quickly grasp your contributions and the impact of your work. It's important because it clearly showcases your skills and achievements in a concise manner. Next, add a contact slide. Include your email address, phone number, and a working hyperlink to your LinkedIn or personal website. This slide is crucial for networking opportunities. It ensures that potential employers can easily reach out to you for further discussions about your work, making it easier for them to connect with you. Never send an editable Google Slides link to a recruiter or client. This is an important step to safeguard your work and maintain professionalism. Editable links can lead to unwanted changes or confusion. Instead, click on File, then Share, and choose Publish to Web. Copy the link provided. This lets viewers see your slides full screen, like a website, without the editing menus. Lastly, consider creating a universal PDF. Click on File, then Download, and select PDF document. This creates a permanent file that locks your fonts and layout in place so it looks identical on any device. This final step ensures that your portfolio maintains its intended look no matter how or where it is viewed. By following these steps, you'll create a polished and professional portfolio that showcases your skills effectively. Good luck with your presentation.